Hi everyone! Today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about caterpillars. If you're new here, my name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Subscribe for a new art class each week. All right, let's go get your supplies. All right, for your supplies, go get a pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. And if you need extra help, there's a tracing guide available on my website for download.
Let's draw two ovals for the eyes. Next, draw a C and a backward C for the cheeks. This caterpillar is eating. To complete the head, draw a line from one cheek over the eyes and connect it to the other cheek. Complete that step on the bottom. Now draw a line for the mouth and two small lines on both ends. At the top of the head, draw two small lines for antenna with circles at the ends.
Caterpillars can morph into a moth or into a beautiful butterfly. They start as eggs that are laid on a leaf, and then once they hatch, they turn into a caterpillar. They consume the whole outer part of their egg and then everything around them. They just eat and eat and eat.
Draw two dots in the center of the eyes. Now for the body. Start off to one side of the chin and loop it around to the other side. We're going to repeat this a few times.
Once you have the body drawn, let's add some legs. They're going to look like small triangles, and we're going to put them around each of the different segments. Caterpillars can change colors as they grow or when they defend themselves based on their habitat. Check this one out. It's eating the leaves and the flowers around it, so it changed colors. There's over 180,000 to 200,000 different species of caterpillars around the world. I bet there's some cool ones in your backyard. Now let's draw some lines and add a few dots for a design element. Feel free to make your caterpillar have a unique pattern just how you like it. Caterpillars and moths undergo metamorphosis. When they are hatched as eggs, they turn into caterpillars and spend most of their lives eating so that they have enough food in their system to undergo this transformation. After their fourth or fifth final molt of their exoskeleton, they hang upside down from a leaf or a branch, and they turn into a chrysalis or pupa. After some time, they come out and they have morphed into a moth or a butterfly. Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Caterpillars have 6 true legs. They move in pairs, even though it looks like they have a lot more. The rest of their legs are called prolegs or false legs, which means they just appear to look like a leg. They have one set in the front, one set in the middle, and one in the back, which is why it looks like a wave when they're moving. Caterpillars have 12 eyes, 6 on each side, called stomata, and they have terrible vision. The amount of eyes that they have just helps them differentiate between light and dark. It doesn't help them see better. And they actually have 4,000 muscles in their bodies to help them move, which compared to the 650 we have as humans is a lot. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. In case you missed last week's art class, you can check that one out here. And if there's something you want to draw and learn more about, send me a message over on Instagram. I cannot wait to see what you create. See you next week.